In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a file in Google Slides. If you've ever found yourself stuck after losing an important presentation, you'll find this guide incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in. To begin with, you'll want to head over to the Google Slides website. If you're already familiar with Google Slides, you know that it's part of Google's suite of productivity tools. This means you'll need to be signed into your Google account to access your files. If you're not signed in already, go ahead and do so now. This step is crucial because without signing in, you won't be able to access your past presentations or any version history. Once logged in, you'll find yourself at the Google Slides homepage. Here, you can either create a new presentation or select an existing one. To recover a file, you'll typically work with an existing document, but for guidance, we'll start from a blank or templated presentation. So go ahead and click on Blank Presentation, or select a template from the options available. This will open a new presentation in a new tab. Now, with the presentation open, what you want to do next is navigate to the top left corner of the screen. You'll see a menu bar there. Click on the File menu to open a drop-down menu that lists several options related to your document. In this drop-down, focus on finding the Version History option. Once you locate it, go ahead and click on it. After selecting Version History, you'll be presented with a further option labeled See Version History. Click on this. What happens here is that Google Slides will now display a pane on the right side of your screen. This pane shows a detailed list of all the saved versions of your presentation. Each version will have a timestamp and may even include notes about changes or who made them. In this version history, you can browse through and see earlier versions of your document to find the one you are looking for. If you find a previous version you wish to restore, simply select it. You will then see an option at the top saying Restore this version. Click on this to recover your file back to a previous state, restoring any changes that might have been lost in the recent edits. And there you have it, a simple way to recover a file in Google Slides using version history. This feature can be a real lifesaver, so next time you make essential changes or something goes wrong, you'll know exactly how to revert to a previous version. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial useful. Be sure to check out our other videos for more handy tips and tricks.